Speed of NQ91. Double delta NQ on the 3.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is ALGOBOX, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Mic check, test 1. Michael O through.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Vinny Emini said come join us live.
Are you ready? Indeed. It is the afternoon session. It is post FOMC. I am a few minutes late here. Let's look around the horn. Let me zoom out. Let's get this reset for the afternoon. Getting my electronic coins flipped back over here. If you want to use that trade tracker, don't forget you can head over to our website, ALGOBOXPRO.com. And at the top there it says software. There's community tools. You've got the visualizer, you got this one, you got cool trade tracker, you got MacV Ultimate. I mean, what more could you want? Oh, you might want to actually get Enigma before Saturday, or they're going to be sad. All right, let's get into it. Oh, is that a triple, quadruple ready DDs? 2 red, 2 green, and we get the continuation. I'm going to make a note of that. Let's get the measurement, F8. Let's come down here so you guys can see it a little better. Going to bottom left, screens, and I'm going to use my Fate tool, F8. Let's go right in here to the, wow, almost to the tick penny on the double move. Yeah, depending on where I drew that. It's going to be close. Oh, I did that thing again. Press F5. There we go.
Fib.em on the 1.
So if it's to here, the second one, which I guess kind of makes a little sense because that's the whole point of having, well, no, because this is ready to eat. Anyhow, sorry. Thinking through things. As usual, like to find the edge and enhance the edge. I'm always sharpening the tools.
Kind
of like a knife, you know, you gotta sharpen it up every once in a while. You might have a great knife, but it might need a, you know, there might be the capacity to sharpen it. It may be doing just fine, but why not make it even sharper? You know what I'm saying? Cause why not? Let me get the pop out chat here so I can see what you wonderful people are saying. Give us a like here so we can go through the whole session. Otherwise, I'll have to cut it early. Let's get that 50 likes in the first 15 minutes, and we'll be here for the whole session. That's all I ask. Mr. Manigold. Let's see. Okay, so we went through the flat zone, came to the other side, trap, big straight leg down. Again, never trust that direction.
Speed
and yes, landed on a 13.3 for the pop-up. We learned earlier today that level 12 is on for the tuning for most of the pivots. This one was pretty close at 11, went up a little bit farther, then came down. 12 is enough for a pivot currently on my Dow. So if you are tuning, what's up, Mad Dog? Good to see you, my friend. Mic check, mic check. Somebody said the mic is having some issues, possibly. Yeah, let me know about the mic. Everybody tell me. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. I think I figured out why this thing keeps changing. It's because I keep changing the size of the window. Maybe if I keep the window size consistent, I won't have to change that every time. Oh, noted. All right. Let's see here. Awesome. Great to hear it. Woohoo, I did something right. All right, we're at 82.75, which means 10K is on the menu right now. Let's get some 10K hype in the chat. You guys think we can get to, think I can get to 10K? First thing I need to check is clustering. So right now I would normally take a long. In fact, I'm going to poke this one long here. With the strength of that though, if we've got clustering, I need to check. Do we have clustering? Is this, are we on cluster day? Because if it is, I need to reverse this real quick.
Fib.em on the 1.
All right, dot reiterated. I'll add to my position. Oop, here in sellers trying to push it all away. Maybe starting the first trade with a loss. Coming back to my point of entry. All right, I'll peel half because I'm half as confident when it does that.
What's her name? Sometimes to love someone, gotta be a stranger.
Divergence up em on the 8. DCDMNQ on the 3.
All right, I'll take my first trade there for
on the 3.
a little bit. Where was I at earlier? 82.75. All right. So again, little scalper. You know what? I'm not even going to count that first one because I'm not even ready. I'm not even ready yet. I need to look around my charts at a few more things.
Speed of NQ.
But that was just too juicy. I was basically super head, or not a super headshot. It was a power headshot. For about 10 ticks. Small contract size. You know what I need to check is that real-time protection. More like real-time slowing me down. Look at that. Look at that. I could feel it. I could feel the sluggishness. Folks, I'm telling you, turn this stuff off. And you have to check it all the time. Windows turns this stuff back on. Turn it off. You'll slow down your PC. Oh, I can already feel it running faster. I'm going to get crazy with something real quick here. Just starting here, so I'm going to chance it. I know I should disconnect, but whatever. Market's a little slow right now. Speedy chart. Speedy chart refresh rate. I'm dropping this down to 25 milliseconds. And the speedometer threshold, to bump it back up, I'm going to set to 90 to bump me up to regular 250. So here are my new settings if you guys are wanting to try out Speedy Chart. I'll talk through the settings and why. It's 90, 25, 250. Okay, pause the video, roll it back, whatever. All right, clicking OK here. I'm going to save workspace because now it's going to be fun. Oh, double ready up for the long. So who pushed long on that? Anybody? First, let's check AOC. Do we have clustering? Can somebody tell me in the public chat? Anybody got screenshots of clustering anywhere? Let me check in premium chat to see what was the most recent. I know we had some this morning. We were able to plan for it. Yep, in the afternoon I got some at 2:30 clustering in queue. Okay, so we've got clustering. So continuation moves, folks. Not looking for a lot of traps. I'm going to try to stay on sides with the MACV Ultimate rather than looking at reversals. Ooh, except for that 18.5 that just hit right there. Anybody grab that 18.5? Wow, that's a big one. I'll take those basically blind. 18.5, big smooth leg in, hit an 18.5. You know I'm going to take a pop up on that. On NQ, I did not see it till afterwards. I'm still kind of late coming to my desk here. So need to kind of feel out. Oh, is that the open? All right, so we're all the way back to the open here after FOMC 2 o'clock. And we are $1,500 away, exactly $1,500 away from 10K on the day. Nerd saying short. Looking for entries. I could just go naked here because we've got, I'm gonna grab a few contracts here into the open and see if we're gonna go negative on the day. I have a feeling we would. Yeah, I'm gonna add to. I'm gonna go half position here and see if we get going underneath the open. They may defend that now, so I can change my mind. My mental stop will be basically around if we start going up over these ready DDs, then we're problematic. What I'm hoping we get is it gives me an opportunity to come down here, give a big nasty trap, then make its move. What I'm hoping for in the event that this is a Titanic zone. So I am going to draw the Titanic zone, which is this whole area right here. I'm going to paint it blue because that's what I do. Don't have to do it, but it's just
Speed of NQ60.
visually. I like to think of the water for the Titanic. Titanic, now I want to see a trap back behind it, and then in theory we go all the way back up here. But before that, I'm hoping I can get a little out of it, especially because we've got AOCs. I'm hearing and seeing AOCs, so I'm not expecting trap moves. Trying to play in the direction of the nerd is basically what I'm going to be doing here this afternoon. Do want to add to position as it's coming up against. As long as the nerd is staying red. Now if it shifts, well, that's going to suck for me. Okay, adding to it at the top of the channel. I'm going to go full position now, so that is a 16 contract trade. That's my full. And again, these are trickier days now because AOC. Type exclamation mark AOC in the public chat on Discord. It is official.
Speed of NQ92.
All right, typing exclamation mark AOC in the chat. So whenever you see this in the chat, this means we're looking for continuations. Don't be jumping on traps. I think we are going to migrate the current cluster to the public chat, just because I just don't look in the premium chat enough during the daytime. So we are going to migrate that to public, so that should become a little bit easier so that people can get announcements on that. I would like when you guys see that posted. Thank you, Don. That's a good idea. Posting my settings.
Enigma long on the EM1.
There. Uh-oh. Super Enigma long. Boo.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
All right, I'm going to take the loss. I'm going to take the loss like a boss.
Double delta EM on the 2.
Where would a retry be? Up to the target. Yeah, I still want to get short. I just need a better entry. Okay, there's retail hopping. Let's see if we can get them popping now.
Settle at $76.16 a barrel. That's down 89 cents or 1.16%.
Purely AOC play, trying to stay on sides with MACV Ultimate. Current time of day, 2:47. Strong sell, AOC play. That's all we're doing here. Nothing fancy. We break under that Enigma, add to position.
Speed of NQ60. Pip.em on the 8.
Came back to my point of entry. Almost. Got my fingers on hotkeys here. I'll walk through it after we do it. By we, I'm talking about me and my fingers, not you. What time? 2:48, 2:49 now. Have I mentioned I don't like AOC scenarios? They're just so tricky. There's too much reading that has to be done. It's harder to play just pure setup.
At 3 p.m. Eastern Time, we get US consumer credit forecast 10.5 billion on the.
Hey, thanks, Epic.
Spot 2.
Appreciate that. Good to see you. Should have halved it at my point of entry. Okay, touch the Enigma target. Man, that was tricky. Look at that. Like almost to the tick, stop out, and then boom, goes all the way, gets its 20 ticks on the Super Enigma. And again, the only reason I'm not looking for trap and long is what? AOC, right? I am literally just, I've had to train myself to, it's on the red side, and I just stay on sides. It's just because of the AOC. Any other time, I'm looking for trap and move, but when it's AOC, I gotta just play in the direction of this nonsense. I don't want to say it's nonsense, but you know what I mean. It's AOC, so clustered up, we don't get the fun. Well, I don't know. They could be fun runs. Just depends on how you look at it. It's not my favorite style of play. The grind. And it can shift. Like, this goes green, like, that sucks because it ends up being big loss. Now, of course, you get on sides again and you can take a big winner. But it's just one of these that... Go watch my AOC videos and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, retail showing up on the short side. That's no good for me. I'm going to look to close this position. I'm going to take the loss. I think we're going long. Yikes. Now we doubled? Okay, I don't even know. I literally don't know. I want to get short here because of AOC, but if retail's hopping in here trying to short this back down, oftentimes this can just make some monster run, and I don't want to get offsides on that here. Let's see if it ends up being the AOC or not. I don't have enough practice on the AOCs. I've got enough to be dangerous, and I'm do decently well with the AOCs, but not enough for me to feel as confident as I am with any other type of day.
The Ministry says in meeting with government's fiscal rules is non-negotiable,
Speed of
and the government will
NQ61.
have an iron grip on public finances.
Interesting. Both of those were green, though. Because it's the top of the crown. What am I doing? That's not a down crown. That's the top of a crown. All right. I'm off kilter, folks. I am... That's the top of a crown. Duh. I kept thinking about this one because it came down into the valley. Anyway. Regardless, it's just AOC, and I should just be playing continue to hold this down. It's just a hard thing for me to do. It's not my default nature. Yeah, thank goodness you don't have to be perfect to be profitable. Yes. But you can give back your profits. which is what I've done so far. Plenty of time, 2:54, hour and 5 minutes left on the trade day.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Exactly. If the crosser on top of the crown, we going down. Yeah, and it was up. It went up, and then yeah, look, it shows the green right there. It even gives me the thing. I used to have the color direction on here, but it always ended up confusing too many people. People kept asking about it, so I've turned my color off. I would have liked to just seen that. If I could see the color, it makes it even easier.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
But doing it for the stream team, bro. All right, it's creeping down. I'm going to reiterate my original position. That was 3. I'm going to go full position. Short again. Left all this on the table. My goodness. All this juiciness. 30 ticks. I gave away 30 ticks for no reason.
At 3 p.m.
For
Eastern.
the bad read and second guessing the whole AOC read.
5 billion on the prior night.
If anybody has the chart with the AOC clustering on it, can somebody post a image of that? I do not have that lower time frame 1s and 2s on NQ. Anybody has the 1s and 2s on NQ with the actual clustering that they can post into Discord? I'd love to actually see it. I mean, I hate to say I want to verify, but I am. I'm a trust but verify kind of guy, you know what I mean?
Fib.em on the 1.
Red dot, add to position. Let's see if this goes. Don't break that red dot. Let's go, baby.
Speed of NQ 69. Low impact news event consumer credit month over month.
We have another news event coming out right now. Where's the open line? Open line still below. Okay, so they're defending that open line. Boo. They want to keep it positive on the day. Boo. But I'm sticking to my AOC rules. I have seen it too many times. I would normally want to run that trap up, but not today. Here's double king timing. Double king timing. Come on. Let me get big on it and let's pay daddy. Back to the cross positions. What's it going to be? I think we drop them right in front of it. I don't think they're going to let them get into profit. They do. Couple of ticks. And again, give me that drop. Seen it lots of times on AOC days. Everybody thinks, oh, we're going up. No, we won't. No, not on AOC day, baby. She just keeps going and going. There we go. Blow through the shark. Let's go. Blow through the shark. Blow through it. Give me a piercer. Give me a pierce to get big, baby. Oh boy, there we go. Okay, now normally I would look for a little pop-up reversal. Not today. AOC, strong sell.
DCDMEM on the 1.
Okay, so now I gotta look for my exit size. I'll exit 6s.
1 minute
Speed of
remaining.
NQ57. Speed of NQ57. Double delta EM on the 1.
Still having to think about the fact that we are sitting in a Titanic zone. I'm a little bit nervous about that, I'll be honest, but it's AOC. I'm just riding this AOC. Don't like these types of days, but have had to force myself to play this way. Because I know what the AOC does. Nobody got a screenshot? Not a single... Nobody's on NQ2s and 1s? Or nobody found the cluster? I mean, I'm totally fine if it's not there.
10 seconds.
Speed of NQ on the 4.
Still waiting for the data. -7.48 billion, -7.48 billion. That's lower.
You don't have clustering either? Can anybody give me a screenshot of the time that our detector fired off? So in premium, if anybody's not trading right now, I'm sorry, I can't do it. I got my fingers on the triggers. I'm in a big position here, which is not going well for me at the moment. Oh, we went neutral.
DCDM double delta NQ on the 8.
Into the shark. Yikes, we went green. I mentioned I hate these kind of days.
DCDM NQ on the 3. Speed of NQ53.
Was it 245? Yeah, so I just need a screenshot of oh my word, I am moving that to public chat. Yeah, it's too, there's too many steps to put it somewhere else. Yeah, sorry, I'm not looking for a screenshot of that. Sorry, I might be confusing. I'm looking for a screenshot of the chart. Does anybody have the 2s or the 1s on the charts where this is making the claim that we have cluster? I want to see how much it is, because I also need to check our settings. Our settings have not been the way that I wanted them. I made changes to that recently. So I just want to make sure, again, I would be doing it myself right now, but I'm in this stupid position right now. Too large, be in charge. Anybody got NQ2s or 1s?
Fib.em on the 1.
Break it. Break it. Break that dot, bro. Alright, I'm halving my position. Came back to my point of entry. I just kind of thank my lucky stars when that occurs. I pull off half my position. Half is confident now, because it didn't go when I wanted it to.
Double delta.
Strong sell.
3.
To be there now. Thank you, Pete. Pete, you're the man.
NQ56.
All right.
Speed of NQ56.
Okay, so I don't see clustering. Yeah, I was worried about that because I don't know that. Well, anyway, we'll deal with it. Break it. Let's go. Oh, don't trap. Don't trap, bro. Don't trap. Stay on sides with me. Here's what I mean. I hate this. So we're FOMC day. Told you golden ropes. Look at the golden rope adherence. You see it? Yeah, normally I wouldn't even be playing this. It's post FOMC and now we're AOCs. No. Nonsense. Craziness. Thank you guys. You guys rock. Yeah, I don't see it. You guys don't see it either, right? In those screenshots you guys got? I don't see clustering. Do you? Looks pure. Yeah, so I gotta go back and check my settings on that. I think they're borked. Yeah, I don't see it. So again, false alarm on our AOC alert system. It's new and it's got bugs. So we got to fix the bug. Can't trust it right now.
Fib.em on the one.
All right, come on, red dot. Behind the shark. Shark tail. Yes, sir. You're done with school. Awesome. What was your favorite part of school today?
Bible story.
Your Bible stories? What was the Bible story today? Do you remember?
It was baby Jesus.
All right, let me finish up my work. High five. I'll see you in a little bit. Can you close my door? Thanks, buddy. All right, mic check. Test 1, test 2, test 1, test 2, test 1, test 2. There we go. All right. Okay, pull and exit. B. No, I still want one wire. Okay. Sharktail HMD. Interesting. Drop them up, drop them down. Let's see. This is wild. Look at this. Wild. Got juice in it. We got a big white one in there. What I'm expecting is, I'm hoping this is the fake out. I think this was everybody looking up, and then they're like, ah, gotcha. And everybody's like, okay, we're going to go up, we're going to go up, we're going to go up. No, we ain't. And I want this. This would be amazing. Going to be a huge day if we do. Could be a 20K day. About to knock on wood here, so I don't... I'm not superstitious or anything. I'm not jinxing myself. Okay, it's that AOC thing. We're on side red here. Let's go, baby. If you're a megaphone player, it's widening out. So the question is we going up or we going down? Don't know. Because we're not really entering in on the play. I mean, we are. We got the Enigma here. Nah, but we stopped out to the Enigma. Yeah, we got a shark back. Okay, cool. Now I got a green dot here. We need a sucker to break. I need a structure break. And let's go. Only thing I like right now is that we did get a red dot here on that craziness right here. But is it just going to push it down here and then rip up? It could. This is what we have to be careful of, especially because we're right here at the open. If they want to protect that and keep it up on the day, what's today? We're Wednesday. They want to be like, oh, today the markets are up. Keep buying, we're lying. Look at it touch the open and just hang on it. Touched barely red. So are they going to just buy this up now? That is the question. Are they going to just buy it up? Remember, well, I don't want to say AOC anymore because I have not seen AOC. Can we all agree? Is it AOC or no AOC? You guys type in the chat. 1 if you think it's AOC, 2 if it's not. Let's get 1s and 2s. 1s if it's AOC, 2 if it's not. Y'all can confirm who, especially NASDAQ players, because that's the only place I've seen the AOC alert is coming on. The 1s and 2s on NQ. So NQ players, what do you guys say? Is it clustering or not clustering? 1 if it is, 2 if it's not. Because if it's not, then this could totally trap and rip. And I've been playing it wrong because of that stupid alert.
On the 1.
No, dadgummit, yeah. So I have been playing that wrong this entire time because I've been playing with an AOC. And if it's not, well then we've got a Titanic zone here. With a trap behind it, and I'm in the trap in a bad way. If this is Titanic zone, because that means it goes up into the black zone up here. This is my last shot here to save me. We've got a double cross. I'm hoping that is retail getting in alongside. Felt like it was long. I hope they're like, oh, okay, here we go. We're coming up off, and then with the ready up, I hope they have caught them off sides, and we just start to drip and drop.
Speed of NQ50
would be amazing.
Speed of NQ50.
But now that I know it's not AOC, I can't hold as long. But this thing has been coiled up like crazy. So whenever it goes, it will likely do a manipulation move first. So that's what's also making me nervous about the spot here. Look it up on the 4s, top left. Oops, how do I get you guys to the top left? Top left, there we go. I need a short key for that. You see this? I mean, it's just coiled up like crazy. It's like over, and then zzz. So even if we are going down, what sucks is it's probably going to do this. What's our time? 3:11.
Speed of NQ51. Double delta NQ on the 3.
Thank you guys for the details on the AOC. Yeah, it's... That's what I get for coming in late. Especially on FOMC day. I think I got head over my skis because I was just like, I'm up 8K, whatever, it'll be fine. That's when you let your guard down. Okay, I'm gonna hold my fingers over my bid and half. And close on the thumb. Look at this coiling. This is so dangerous. I mean, I hate to talk about frying pans, but I mean, that's what this is. It looks like a frying pan bottom, and the last point in front of it was down, but it's weird because it's upside down. Normally, you're coming down into an area, then it flattens out. Anyway, it's just a pattern. Don't care. I need to go with RTOFA. Trying to hang with the nerd. But the nerd could shift. I'm watching that nerd over there. It says strong sell right now. Does not feel like it on the Dow. It's like Dow might be the strongest one in the boat. NQ, I see NQ leaned over. RTY kind of actually looks just like YM right now. So don't know. But NQ is dropping. So I'm hoping this one just catches up. There's the open line. Come on, get under that open line and then let everybody panic sell under that open. That's what I'd love to see. Have them all panic sell underneath there and get a massive drop out here, and let's get Daddy Big paid. Now, there it is. Touch it, touch it, touch it. Yep. Now panic sell. Panic sell. Come on, people. Not you guys. I'm just saying. Talking to the other folks. Panic sell underneath the open. They've been holding it the whole time. Everybody thought they'd keep it positive. Now let them panic sell. Let's go. Now panic sell under there, bro. Prior close. This is the time to do it. It's 3:15. Nope. No panic selling. Come on now. No. All right, I'm going to go half. It would have been so fun. Nope, because they may be just defending it like crazy. Nope. Could just be a trap right down there on the open line. Very tight. Drop me back down. DCR me, please.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Thank you.
Enigma short on the NQ3.
Enigma short NQ.
Speed of NQ64.
Man, it looks so straight up there. I'm going to dip the toe in on that. This just feels like a giant trap down below, like a bear trap galore. Oh my goodness. All right, half an hour up. Oh, what a bum.
Lower bands touch EM on the 27.
Look at these straight legs. Touch the Bollinger. I want to see, remember I said I'd like them to shake up first and then we get a little pattern and move down. Would still be great, but it's at strictly just pattern reading there and it's not enough. I want to see RTOFA come with me. Okay, NQ tapped its target. Excellent. Now, Dow, come on, baby, do the same.
Double delta RTY on the 4. Double delta
In this Titanic zone. Alright, I'm gonna kill it.
According to iMoneyNet.
Wiped out my
97 spots.
Big win day because of reading an AOC. Reading the AOC improperly. Got a false signal on our AOC and planned accordingly. And yep, gave it back. What's our time? 3:19. So the Titanic zone play was the best. Wish I would have just played the trap on that all the way back here. This was a very skinny mini on that. Let's come up here to top left to see that. Go top left. Oh, you guys are on the top left. Sorry, bottom left. So scrolling over, and yeah, so we scroll back over here. Here's where we knew the Titanic zone was coming in here. But I was reading AOC, which means we're not doing that, right? I want to look into the continuation. Got a false signal on AOCs because of our stupid new tool. Happens. Wrong settings. So we'll get that sorted and squared because, yeah, that totally threw me off. Should not have continued to be playing that. Beautiful trap back behind it, which is classic. We get the Titanic zone, drew it in, look for the trap back behind it, trap here, ride it up into the black. And would have been way easier, way easier, 10K easily. But no, not on that one. So 320, we've got couple things. The BTFD will be an STFU, sell the up move today because of this up segment. So if we do the fake pump and dump, great. We have all the way down to 42,705s, so there's still a chance to get the big dog back. It's FOMC day, so we'll see. Yeah, AOC needs to go back to her bartending. Yeah. Okay, just got a big white cross up on the 4s. Let's see if this is it. Let's see if this is it. Go to top left. Let's see. What's our time? 3:22. Yeah, this will probably be my only shot at doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting on it. And stop above my white cross here. Distance for risk is 21 ticks. 21 tick risk. If we are coming back down to the bottom, that's 55 just to there. If we go where we could, it's 135 tick drop.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Ah, boo.
Upper bands touch him on the 27. Fib.em on the 1.
Red dot. HMD, bottom side. Looks like a bull trap. Is it going to be? Or is it going to turn red on me? Let's find out.
Speed of NQ57.
Looks like a bull crap to me. We got 4 minutes till the STFU time. 4 minutes, so I'm sorry, 6 minutes early. It's 2:24. I'm sorry, 3:24. Yeah, see that red dot back behind the crab. So trying for this HMD. Don't break it.
Double delta NQ.
Don't break it. Drop it. Fake him out.
Fib.em on the 1.
Okay, big drop. Break that green dot. 3:25, 5 minutes. Come on.
DC of RTY on the 27.
Don't you do it. Oh, it's a king line. Three minutes.
Fib.em on the 1.
Headshot. No. All right. Nope. All right. $328.
Upper bands touch em on the 27.
So it completed the
Double
Titanic
NQ on the 3.
reversal. Got into the black like a boss. Unfortunately, I'm going to be in a big loss thanks to the AOC read. Are we going to get a split cross reversal here? Double cross. Is it going to double move me?
Upper bands touch EM on the 89. Double delta EM on the 2.
Alright, gonna kill it. Oh, what a crappy session.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
So here's what it ended up doing. Yep. You come down, we just and then up and up we go. And AOC. Thanks to a false AOC reading, and I'm pretty pissed about that, I'll be honest. Unnecessary. Alright, here's the 330. We have made an up move. The question is, are we going to get the P-point touch and the ditch, or are we just going to keep scooting our way up? Let's find out. Why did my monitor just turn off? My word. Not my main, but my OLED on the left has just turned out, so I can't see NQ anymore. My word. Oh, I hate OLED. I keep telling myself I'm going to swap it out. I've already got it sitting in the hallway. I'm ready to swap it. Just haven't done it yet. Woulda, shoulda, couldas. So I'm sure my monitor will turn back on after 5 minutes of pixel refresh or whatever the heck it does. So dumb. Yeah, no more OLED. Never doing OLED again. I don't know if you guys can see the text chat because I can't. Literally my OBS monitor and my NQ monitor literally just turned off on the left side of my face. I don't say it turned off. It's doing this stupid pixel refresh or whatever thing. I think. I didn't even see the message off to the left, apparently.
NQ on the 3. Upper band.
Okay, moderate buy. Came in, got some ready DDs. It's 333.
Fib.em on the 1.
Super dot long. I'm going to go ahead and take a shot at that. We are currently moderate buy. If we go to neutral, I'll kill it. Target should be our gold line target up above. Super dot with a double cross. Double cross gives me the target here.
Upper bands touch EM on the 27.
All right. Well, bum deal.
Speed of NQ52. Double delta EM on the 1. Speed of NQ52.
I wonder if I hold the power button and turn it back on, I'm just going to totally bork it. Oh my goodness, now all my monitors are flashing at me. Lovely.
Double delta EM on the 2.
Win rate question is kind of a bad question, bro. I'm not going to get into telling you why one stat doesn't mean anything. Win rate means nothing. You have to at least combine it with 2 stats. Okay, well, it successfully turned off the monitor, but it's not turning it back on.
Upper bands touch EM on the 27.
Okay, forced it back on. Oh, my charts are minimized. Are you kidding me? 1 second. Okay, scene. Stuff moved over. Oh, it's all kinds of borked. All right, let me kill it and then restart it because my charts are everywhere and don't save. Okay, so pro tip: when that happens, just kill it and don't save, and then relaunch. OLED's going out the door today. I got a 2-day notice. It's 2025. No more OLEDs. Oh my goodness. I am not doing this nonsense again. Ridiculous. Well, I'm just going to turn off right in the middle of your trading, and while you're doing your live streams, it looks like you're not doing anything with your screens. Let me turn this off for you. Wow, thank you so much for that. Really appreciate that. No thanks. Okay, and I missed a confluence dot. Well, isn't that nice? All right. Well, getting in late on it. Let's go. Thank you. All right, can you guys see my screen again? Let me know in the chat, please. All right, Super AO on the NQ. Short, I'm hoping we're dropping. Come on, get with the program. Oh my goodness, did we get an Enigma up here while I'm all borked? You gotta be kidding me.
Double delta RTY.
All right, closing the drop on NQ. I'm hoping my Dow will do the same.
Double delta EM on the 1.
All right, Super Shark, and we are short. I'm going to assume that will break.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Double delta. Let me get a measurement. F8 to the middle of those guys. Yeah, puts us right back at the open. Yeah, come on. Don't do it to me, Dow. Oh, back to neutral. Just to make sure audio box is working. Thank you. Unbelievable. That pisses me off. As if this confluence dot didn't either. What time? 3:42. We got 8 minutes till the 350 algo. I lost my Titanic zone drawing. I guess I should just remove all drawings for now. And we're going by. All right, lovely. Half it up. The hardest part is like, this is what we're doing sitting here on the 89s. Like, I don't think we're going anywhere big. Like, it's just a matter of catching the top side and going. I'm still So frustrated at the fact that we had a false AOC scenario. It's really wearing on my brain. Are we going to crack that ready DD? I got to draw a line here. F6. Yeah, about to crack it. Okay.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Alright, I'm gonna kill it. Can't go anywhere. Can't go anywhere. Should have been trading NQ in the afternoon. Like, such beautiful moves over on NQ. And we talked about it before. Go, hey, let's move to NQ in the afternoons when it's slow. I thought it was FOMC day. We're gonna get some fast speed. But no, would have been better if we had done some NQ action a lot. A lot cleaner, really cool setups there. Super AOs. Okay, that one didn't work. So I wonder if we're going to end up getting, if this is going to just curve all the way up and touch that P point and run and run and run and run and run. My goodness. OLED going out the door. Anybody in Texas want an OLED? It's 43-inch. Turd. Yeah, NQ in the afternoon. Please remind me. You guys remind me. NQ in the afternoon, man. This, yeah, YM stuff is just boring. And NQ is not that fast here. I thought it would be today on FOMC. Honestly, I thought it'd be quick. All right, maybe the last play of the day before Lucky 7. I'm sorry, not Lucky 7s. We've got the Wild Child 350 Algo. In 3 minutes, well, 2 minutes now. Might be the last play before that. Okay, ends up being a super. Let's see if it's going to pay daddy. $350 algo coming. Minute and 15 seconds.
Double delta EM on the 1.
One minute till we get the market on close imbalance.
1 minute.
DCDME on the 1.
My goodness. Clustering up here with the Enigma. Come on, give me the launch. 30 seconds.
DME on the 1. Double Delta EM on the 1.
Nerd says strong buy. Come on. 20 seconds. Kill half.
So markets on close imbalance. The SP 500 a buy
on the
side.
one.
Half again at the pink dot.
NASDAQ 100 a buy side of 237 million. Dow 30 a buy side of 525 million.
Got a white cross coming in on the 9s. Half off again.
2 million.
Looking good. Break that P point and run, baby.
On the 27.
Run it. Run it. Run it. Run it.
Speed of NQ 74.
You're going to stop at the P point.
96. Fib.E
Bat, HMD, add to position. All right, let's see if we go. We hit 3 targets on the J hook. I'm a little bit nervous around that P point, but let's see if we're just going to keep going. Nerd is up. Moderate buy. Somebody peeled back. Who is it? I see NQ, see RTY.
Speed of NQ 53.
King timing.
Double Delta EM on the 1.
All right, close it out right there. Almost got back to break even on nice big super duper. We got the double super, so that's a super duper. Enigma with, we had a headshot in there too, so multi combination, beautiful killer play there. For the full 50 ticks, 52-ish, but we would call it a 50 tick move. What's our time? 3:52. Wish I hadn't just traded like absolute turd because of AOC. Dude, don't even get me started. Do not even. Oof. Just let it go. Let it go. New Year's resolution, Vinny. Smiley faces, bubble gum, and candy canes.
Delta NQ on the 3. Fib.EM on the 1.
All right, one more shot here. See if we're going to get back to break even. 700 in the red. Let me add a bracket. That's 1400. That's 1,000. So 700 somewhere around here. That's 970.
Double Delta.
There's 770 right there. Oh my goodness, have to break the high. So we're either breaking the high and I'm back to break even.
Enigma long on the EM2.
Cool. So let's buy partials. Sell market if touch 5, and then I'll leave the other half on. Double dot. off of the channel.
Fib.em on the 8th. Double delta em on.
Oh no, my goodness. Is that how it's gonna be? Is that how it's gonna be? No, I think she's gonna let loose. I think she's gonna let loose. You think she's gonna let loose? Or am I gonna stay in red? I don't know. Oh goodness.
Double delta 103. Speed of NQ1.
Come on, baby, make that run. Make that run. You know you want to have some fun. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. We'll peel off some there. We're in a positive on the day. Oh, there's a red dot. Okay, we'll close it up. $75 on the day. My goodness. My goodness. What a turd of an afternoon session. So that was 52 the first, and the continuation now, if we go all the way to high of day, that's 100 ticks. So let's see if we get that.
Speed of NQ95.
Let's look at NQ. So NQ, just look at this. It just... Let me move it here. Can I play it right here so I can keep an eye on the MACV as well?
27.
We can see it right there. Strong buy, right? Literally, look, not very many ticks from the open. Look at that. Went right up to the open here. Are we going to break over the open and run? We got 4 minutes to the close. The double dots remain one of your favorites, David. Awesome. Love to hear it. Yeah, that was a nice double dot play we pulled back there. I should probably label that one. That's so fun. We have a couple of minutes here until the close. But this is a classic traditional double dot. I like to write in caps. Y'all know my deal. Wow, I can't type.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Double dot long.
Upper bands touch em on the 27.
There's a classic right there. What about that, David? You remember that? I hadn't pulled out that little graphic in a while. Gotta love it. Double dot, baby. Okay, shark back. Gonna be so NQ did not get to its open line, staying in the negative. Interesting.
Double delta em on the 1.
Interesting. We touched the bottom of the channel. Let's see if we get an RTOFA event here. I don't see RTOFA, so this might have been just a dump out and they may run it back up.
Speed of NQ64.
Let's see if they're going to close in the positive on the day. They have 2 minutes. All they have to do is get the price above that orange line, and they'll be able to say, "Oh, the market closed in positive today again." For the, you know how they do. Yeah, green but mean. My goodness. We got 1 minute and 15 seconds. Like, I'd like to make $100. I mean, that would be cool. Oh, P point. Give me a setup. I'm feeling like we need like an Enigma or a Super AO here for the win. You know what I'm saying?
Delta em on the 1.
Should I turn on full auto Enigma? Yeah, I should.
Fib.em on the 1.
And let's go big. 5 bigs. That is a super dot long. Let's see if it cracks.
DCD
Or is she gonna hold?
on the 4.
Back up to the P point. Haven't seen, let's see, the last Enigma was back here. Getting some nice straight legs here. We got 20 seconds to the close.
Touch NQ on the
Are we going to get
double delta em on the 1.
an Enigma?
Double delta RTY on the 4. Double delta RTY on the 4. Double delta em on the 1. Double delta NQ.
Oh, there's a super AO. I'm going to go for it. I'm going for it.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
It's a super AO. Come on. Give it to me. Targets filled, baby. Targets filled. Super AO to the red dot. Come on. Come on.
Target filled.
Oh, you gotta love that. Super AO in the chat. I'm gonna type Super AO in the chat myself. Super AO in the chat to get me almost 1K. I'm gonna turn this continuous off. Wow. Beauty. Now, what did they do on NQ? Look at that. NQ. Look, they're gonna close it above. Didn't I tell you? Look, this is what they do. They're gonna close it right above the open line right there. So they can say, we closed the market, NASDAQ closed up 0.1%. Yeah, like huge dropout on the day, right? And they're like, oh, no, well, we closed in positive territory on today. NASDAQ gained 0.1%. It was like negative all day. They're like, oh, let's stick the price right up above it.
NQ89.
Yep, look at that. They're going to close positive on the day on NASDAQ, literally in the last second of the day. Didn't I say they could do that? Yeah, I did. But we don't care. We're just playing the video game. I'm just like, oh, Super AO, cool. You know which one I'm really still ticked off about not getting? There's two. This one right here, thanks to OLED, and the confluence dot for the second one while I'm trying to get my stupid screens to turn back on, thanks to OLED. Dude, I am ditching OLED today. OLED, the problem with OLEDs, if you're thinking about getting one, like, oh, they got deep blacks and they got really great, bleh. Yeah, and if you stand still on your PC for any period of time, like we have to do with trading, it will dim your screen. So first of all, it's not even just like the turn off pixel refresh, it's that it will dim on you. You're sitting there and it's like, why is my screen getting darker? I'm having a harder time seeing this. What is happening to my screen? Then all of a sudden, yeah, it's totally dumb. That's out the window. Also, going to be fixing the code on the AOC nonsense. Can't believe it's giving us false signals. That is huge. That cannot be wrong. So for right now, do not trust those signals until we have verified that we've got proper information coming in on the alerts coming in there on premium. Trust but verify. Okay, like go check it until further notice, until I have seen it be accurate a couple of times. Yeah, Jibo LG works just fine. Yeah, there's no point in getting the other stuff. You know, I got this fancy OLED for video games. Dude, I don't even have time. I hadn't even played video games with my kids in a while. But maybe soon. Maybe soon. So, gotta love the Super AO. Got to love the Super AO. How'd everybody do today? You guys probably did better than me. Tell me there in the chat. Where you at in the P&Ls? Let me look at my performance report here. It was degenerate looking. Oh. Yeah, that is nasty. I'll post mine in the Discord. Because we know how the trolls are. Right? Like, oh yeah, man. Oh, Vinny took some red trades. Vinny crappy traded in the afternoon. Yeah, well. Wait till AOC is accurate. Wait till our AOC is right. Go look at all the days when AOC was called because somebody saw it, and we played AOCs the way I was literally setting up to trade earlier today, and we had huge days. We're talking about 5-figure days. Almost got, well, the morning was great today. It was awesome. Dip. I'm going to do dip. Anyone? There you go. All right, posting it there in Discord. Yeah, make sure that we have accurate calls on AOC. It's another like warning thing of don't be wrong on AOC, because you're going to play it like that. Look, Daniel D, nice job. 3K on the day for Daniel D. Very nice. Central AM throwing down 1700. Very nice. Oh, Mr. Vader. I am liking these new Giphies you're putting in here. New nice graphics. Loving that. That's looking awesome. Hype. Scrolling up there from this morning. Leo, big dog, 7,800. Nice. Scrolling up the Discord chat there. You got a 5-figure day, Greg, or you're confirming like one of our other AOC days of 5 figures? Yeah. Is that 9K, Chris? Holy shnikes. Chris throwing down $9,000 today. Wow, amazing stats. Killing it. Kazi, $3,500. Guardy, $1,700. Eddie B throwing down. What did he do? 8K? 9? Dude, I love this. Holy shnikes. 8, 9. Did you do 10? Did you break 10K? Bro, 13. $14,000. Holy shnikes. Nice. Very nice. CG's got the 4K screen. I gotta zoom in on his stuff to see it. 3,600. Very nice trade set up there. I like it. Plutonium. Dude, looks like he's building a mountainside. 19,000 plutonium. What were you hitting today, bro? 19,000. All right. Plutonium's about to come teach the class. Greg, you made 13K today. Nice. Holy cow. Look at this from Plutonium. Wow, these are amazing. Look at this build up. Oh my god, I gotta pull this on screen. Holy shnikes, bro. That is looking hot. Holy shnikes. Plutonium, are you still here? He's probably out counting his money now. $54,000 at the close. Holy shnikes. All right, tell us, what's your main plays? What's your main staples? What do you like to you didn't do what I did and fell for the AOC nonsense. Share with us what are your staple plays? What's your go-tos?
J-hook short NQ on the 3.
Are you a super AO crusher? What you got? Are you rolling the multi-ready DDs? Cause that ain't playing around. $54,000. My goodness. Oh wait, was that on? Sorry, remind me. Is that multiple accounts or is that a single account? Ready ups, AOs, Enigmas. Go half up, and let it run. Nice. Well, it works really well on a day like today with the FOMC and the moves that were put in today for sure. Yeah, he's driving the Brinks truck. Back it up. Open the doors. Very, very nice. All right. Well, I'm pondering this nonsense. What am I going to do? First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go check the code. So I'm going to verify AOC stuff first, and then, yeah, we'll go from there. I'll be there with you guys again tomorrow morning to try to, I mean, I want my 8K back. I mean, I wanted 10K. It was too juicy. I cannot believe I am gonna. Oh, AOC. All right, enough of the crying. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbox, Mosswell, Curtis, GADB. I'm staying on the Big H Town. See ya. Our team. Show them how it's done.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
DCDME on the 2.
Rewind.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta vibrating. Long. Look for long. One pattern. Pick up. One down. On freeze. Order filled. Target filled.